Kay is rolling around in her new catnip. Oh, she was just... Oh, here we go. Oh, she's having so much fun. It's homegrown catnip, also known as kitty weed. She's loving it. What's that, Kay? Is that yummy kitty weed? Homegrown catnip. The last of the dried stuff. I think she likes it. What do you think? I think she really likes her homegrown.
She's never acted like this before.
Grown in Washington. Look at her. No, the commercial stuff doesn't make her do this. Ever.
No.
And I swear to God, it's catnip. Grown on the outside.
Little tiny buds.
Oh, look, here's the source. I kid you not. See? Here's the stems that it came from. We picked out the little catnip buds. That's the second stage, and here's the shake. It's kind of sort of like regular marijuana. You start out with the plant life, and you reduce it down to a couple stages.
Look, she ate the rest of it.
And she can't smoke it, but look at her, she's still at it. Oh look, she can't even help herself. That's the second plate full. Now you got, oh, look at all the stuff on the carpet now. Isn't that funny? Well, you've got enough for tonight. Hi, Kay. Meow. Meow.